Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros. And for today's quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to resolve the camera error code 0xE00F4245 0x80070005. We need your permissions to use this app. Open privacy settings and change the settings to allow this app to use your camera and microphone. If you need it, here's the error code 0xE00F4245. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to allow apps to use your webcam. So kung paano ba yan natin gawin? So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung settings. And then i-click mo lang dito yung open. So dito lang sa left side menu and select mo lang dito yung privacy and security. So click mo lang yan. And dito sa privacy and security and then scroll down. At dito lang sa app permissions ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung camera. So i-click mo lang yan. And then dito sa kanyang camera access, so dapat ay naka-turn on ito. Alright, so dito lang sa right side ay kailangan mo lang i-turn on tong button niya. So click mo lang yan. And dito naman sa kanyang lit apps access your camera. So kailangan ulit natin itong i-turn on. So turn on mo lang yan. And then dito naman sa kanyang apps ay kailangan naka-turn on dito mga kaibigan. Okay, so select ka lang dito sa apps na kailangan naka-access yung camera. Alright, so after dito sa settings and other solution na pwede natin gawin is to repair and reset Windows camera. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung settings and then click mo lang dito yung open. So dito lang sa left side menu and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung apps. And dito sa right side ay makikita mo dito yung installed apps. So i-click mo lang yan. And dito lang sa installed apps. So dito sa search app, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung camera. And then pop up kaagad dito. Alright. So dito lang sa right side ay makikita mo dito yung tatlong dots. So i-click mo lang yan. And then i-select mo lang dito yung advanced option. So dito sa advanced option settings and then scroll down. At dito lang sa reset ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung repair. Alright? So if this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. So i-click mo lang tong repair and then wait natin na ma-complete yung repair process. And then next step, if this app still isn't working right, so kapag hindi pa rin okay, so kailangan mo na itong i-reset. Okay? So i-click mo lang dito yung reset. And then this will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. So i-click mo lang dito yung reset at wait natin na ma-complete yung reset process. Alright, so after completing dito sa reset procedure, and the next solution na pwede natin gawin is to update the webcam driver. So kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu and dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung device manager and then click mo lang dito yung open and dito sa device manager and then i-select mo lang dito yung camera. So i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan para mag-expand and then kailangan lang natin i-update tong kanyang driver. So kung paano ba yan i-update, so i-select mo lang tong driver and then right click and select mo lang dito yung update a driver and then may dalawang option dito na pwede nating i-select like search automatically for drivers or browse my computer. Okay, so select ka lang dito sa dalawa and then i-tap mo lang tong search automatically. And then makikita mo na dito na the best drivers for your device are already installed. Right? So after dito and then close lang natin. At dito lang sa start menu and then kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix Windows camera with the error code 0xA00F4245 0x80070005. in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.